Charcoal earth under my boots, ash tracing yesterday's run, fence post standing pale and stunned where the fire walked on. Range in the distance smudged and high, one long bruise of gray, smoke hanging heavy in the sky, but the heat's gone away. Smoke over Mallacoota, lying like a blanket on the ridge. Lake on one side, ocean breathing out beyond the blackened bridge. Fire has been here, fire has gone, all that's left is settling on. Smoke over Mallacoota. Moonlight catches twisted wire, ghost white limbs of trees, bird calls thin, a careful choir testing out the breeze. Footprints stitching through the dust, some old track still there. Even in this scorched out crust, something whole somewhere. Smoke over Mallacoota, lying like a blanket on the ridge. Lake on one side, ocean breathing out beyond the blackened bridge. Fire has been here, fire has gone, all that's left is settling on. Between the lake and the open sea, I watch the shoreline learn to breathe. Quiet logs, slow cooling stones, country counting up its bones. Not a siren, not a flame, just the dark, remembering names. Smoke over Mallacoota.